You're now tuned in to the latest Tesla news. Today we're going to be talking about Tesla's full self-driving update, how you can take advantage of Electrify American chargers if you have a Tesla, the announcement of Tesla's $25,000 car, and more. So let's go. Tesla is set to build a new plant in Monterrey, Mexico. The announcement was made by Mexican president, who said that the new plant would be built with a series of commitments to address the problem of water scarcity in the region. Tesla CEO Elon Musk had a call with Mexican President AMLO on Monday and said to be responsive and understanding of the issue. The company's commitment include using recycled water throughout the manufacturing process of electric cars, including for car paint. The Mexican leader added that more details would be announced on Wednesday during the automaker's Investor Day. Tesla had faced concerns about water scarcity in the past while planning one of its two new factories. While Musk laughed off the issue in 2021, it contributed to delays that kept the plant from starting production until 7 months later. The new plant will be Tesla's first south of the US border and part of Musk's plans to expand global manufacturing. The news comes as the electric car industry has grown in Mexico, driven mainly by foreign demand for the vehicles. Other automakers such as BMW, I'm gonna miss you, but we all know better things, also announced plans to expand their electric auto production in the country. Tesla will be enjoying an amazing Cinco de Mayo. Next up, according to Elon Musk, a new lower priced Tesla will be priced at around $25,000 and will be available in about 3 years. Elon might make the announcement at Tesla's Investor Day event. He will outline the company's long-term expansion plans. The new model is expected to be significantly cheaper than Tesla's current offerings, which are priced at around $40,000. And Musk noted that the lower price model would help Tesla to achieve its goal of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla's recent gains have been driven by increased demand for electric vehicles, as well as price cuts on several models. The company's shares have risen by nearly 70% this year, outpacing the rally in the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100. Musk has been a vocal advocate for electric vehicles and sustainable energy, and the launch of a lower-priced Tesla model is expected to make electric vehicles more accessible to a wider range of consumers. Moving on, Tesla has announced the price for its new CCS Adapter retrofit, which will allow older Tesla models to use other EV charging stations. According to Electric, the retrofit will cost $499 and will be available for purchase starting in March. The CCS adapter will enable older Tesla models to use newer charging stations, which have been common in recent years. The retrofit is expected to be a popular upgrade for Tesla owners, as it will make it easier to travel longer distances without having to worry about compatible charging stations. It will also help future-proof older Tesla models, which may have been previously limited in terms of charging options. The company's new CCS Adapter retrofit is expected to open up your charging options while you're on the road. All right, we have some news for Tesla owners regarding the company's full self-driving beta program. Tesla has made changes to its language around the program, disappointing some owners who were hoping for a wider rollout. According to Electric, Tesla recently updated the language on its website to state that FSD program is, quote, a SAE level 2 driver support feature that can provide steering and braking acceleration support to the driver under certain operating limitations. With FSD beta, as with all SAE level 2 driver support features, the driver is responsible for operation of the vehicle whenever the feature is engaged, and must constantly supervise the feature and intervene, steer, brake, or accelerate as needed to maintain safe operation of the vehicle. The company previously stated that the program would be available to a wide release of drivers by the end of 2022. The updated language has disappointed some Tesla owners who were hoping to participate, which promises to offer advanced autonomous driving capabilities. The company's FSD program has been a major focus of its development efforts. While the updated language may be disappointing for some owners, it's important to remember that safety is a top priority for Tesla, and the company is committed to ensuring that the FSD program is safe for all drivers. Recently, a Toyota engineer made some surprising comments about the Tesla Model Y. According to Electric, some Toyota executives who participated in the teardown talked to Automotive News And one of them called Tesla's electric SUV a work of art, saying, quote, taking the skin off the Model Y, it was truly a work of art. It's unbelievable. The executive praised the Model Y's quality and design. I can only speak to my personal experience. I have had a few things fixed on my Tesla, especially in the interior, and not always under warranty, but the acceleration, drivetrain, reliability, software, and handling are the highlights of the product. The comments are a testament of Tesla's focus on simple design, which has been a key factor in the company's success in the electric vehicle market. Come here, give me a hug. You're special. You made it to the end of the video. You might want to click here or here so you can watch another one of our videos. Always like and subscribe. Till next time, peace.